How do quantitative and qualitative data help solve case studies? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. That's where data comes in to give you the pieces you need. When working on case studies about work and employment, understanding how numbers and stories work together can make all the difference. Quantitative data is all about numbers. It includes facts like how many employees leave a company each year, the average salary in a department, or how many applicants apply for a job. These figures help you see patterns and trends clearly. For example, if a company notices that employee turnover jumps after 6 months, the numbers point to a problem area. Quantitative data is easy to measure and compare, making it perfect for tracking progress or setting goals. Qualitative data is different. It's about descriptions, opinions, and feelings. Think about interview responses, feedback forms, or notes from observations. This type of data helps you understand the reasons behind the numbers. For instance, if many employees leave after 6 months, qualitative feedback might reveal they feel they lack growth opportunities or don't get enough support. These stories give context to the numbers and help you see what's really happening behind the scenes. When solving case studies, combining both types of data creates a clearer picture. If a company sees a drop in employee satisfaction scores, they can look at the numbers to see when it started and how many people are affected. Then, they can gather stories from employees to understand why. Maybe some feel overwhelmed by workload or unhappy with management. This combined approach helps identify specific issues and craft targeted solutions. In recruitment, numbers can show which job boards bring in the most applicants, but feedback from candidates can reveal frustrations with the application process. Using both data types helps improve the hiring experience. In workforce development programs, tracking completion rates gives a broad view of success, but hearing from participants about what helped or hindered their progress adds valuable detail. This way, programs can be adjusted to better meet needs. In assessment types, using different methods like surveys and interviews allows organizations to cross-check findings. This process, called triangulation, makes sure conclusions are solid. For example, if survey results show low engagement, interviews might explain that employees feel undervalued or disconnected. Combining these insights leads to better decisions. To use both data types effectively, start by defining your problem. For example, ask why employees are leaving. Use numbers to measure how many leave and when. Then, talk to employees to hear their experiences. Look for patterns in the data and stories. If the numbers show high turnover after a certain time and stories reveal lack of career growth, you can focus on creating clear advancement paths. In summary, numbers show what is happening, and stories explain why. Together, they help organizations understand issues deeply and find practical solutions. Using both types of data makes case studies more accurate and useful, leading to better hiring, retention, and workplace improvements.